Today, pupunta kami sa Isnaya. Ay, Annaya, sorry. Kay St. Charbel. On the way na kami, guys. Pasyal tayo kay St. Charbel before tayo uuwi ng Pilipinas. Okay, kita kits. Ushi! Hello guys, stop over muna tayo dito mag-breakfast. Ayan, bago tayo punta kay St. Charbel. Ah, when? Maybe hon. Okay. He can. Dito po tayo ngayon. Look guys, oh, yung mga binibenta din nila. Pickles, kabis, cucumber, tomato, mixed vegetable na rosemary and thyme. Ito yung pig.
مش ميكس
فيج.
كيوكمبر ومختين وكارتس.
Carrots, yes. Tapos ito yung mga drinks. Mga homemade ito. Ito yung pomegranate. Yung, ay hindi, yung tot. Ay mulberry. Tapos ito ata yung pomegranate. Yung rimen. Ayan. Suka ito na vinegar. Apple. Ayan. Ito siguro ay, ewan ko kung ano ito. Tapos mga eggs, organic. Ito ang traditional ano nila. Ito yung traditional way ng paggawa ng manushi, satar. Ito tinatawag nilang saj. Ayan, tignan natin paano. Ito ang place and ayan na po yung ano ni St. Charbel. Nagutom kasi ang mga bata kasi hindi ko sila pinakain dahil nagsusuka nga itong lalaki kapag nagbebiyahe kami, kaya yun, nagutom daw sila. Ayan si kuya, oh, ganyan siya mag ano, dalawang klase, ewan ko kung ano ito, bago ata ito. Ayan. What you order, hon? Satar? Okay, 4 na satar ang order. I don't know mama if maybe no. Ay, dyan pala, ganyan ah. Yan na yung satar. Manushi. Yan yung pinapakita ko sa ano, yung satar.
سناخد بندورة معه مع خضرة
صحن خضرة على جنب عند قلبه ملفوف صوب الشام كلهم أم واحدة
بس بندورة وحدة
If you want banadura on it. Okay?
بس خلي شوي.
Sorry. Nabadi siya. Ayan, gusto niya siya yan lagyan ng tomato. Pwede naman mag-request. Tomato or pickles, ganun.
هو بيجي مع بندورة بس
دروبة. لا هذا إذا بدك حطوا لي بقلبها بندورة وبصل.
اوكي
بدي مع بندورة وبصل وبندورة. وليك 2 بلا شيء؟
ايه 2 عادية.
Yan, nilagyan na nila ng tomato. Merci. Yan. Ito na siya. May panadura sa akin.
اوكي.
Sarap. Wait.
هذا اللي بدي
Kada hummus. Ito yung fresh na hummus, guys, yung chickpeas.
هيك it is.
Sa loob niya is ano, chickpeas. Ayan yung nanamin. Sarap siya, delicious.
زيرو او دبل زيرو. فيري نايس. دبل انسر.
بس هذه يمكن تسوي
What Yan, madaming pumupunta dito. Everyday full siya. Yan.
Okay. No problem.
Meron din po yung mga ganyan. Oh, yung mga matatanda na hindi makalakad.
Huh? I want to see بس هونيك بابا if you park there
It
you
will
have two
be
problems. How these
Trees?
they make like
they will hurt your car. The road, ang ganda.
they fall like,
Mga old
like
trees
stick.
ito. Ang ganda oh. Ito daw yung, oh yes, from the trunk, ginagawa nilang glue.
Here.
Yeah.
I'm not there.
Nandito na po tayo.
Oh, I just told you.
Why did I?
They will, like to say, Charbel. Alam niyo may story ito guys, noong pandemic, sabi niya lahat daw ng kakain ng soil na ito hindi you remember Han, the story? Yeah, nagpanaginip siya sa isang tao. Yeah. Tapos sabi niya pupunta kayo sa aking bahay at kuha kayo ng soil, i-boil nyo, hindi kayo tatamaan ng COVID. Nagpakita siya. Ito noon ubos ito. Uminom din kami nung time na yun, pumunta kami dito at kumuha ng soil tapos binoil namin yun, ininom namin magpapamilya. Thank God di po kami ng ng COVID. Ayan. Dito na binyagan si Kian, kaya ang second name niya is Charlotte. Ito yung tuhod niya. Dito siya tinanggal. Yes, this is his tongue before when they found that his body is
From 1927 till 1952.
Ito yung holy water dito. Pwedeng inumin, malinis siya. May it's very cold. Don't it's okay. Well, Daddy. Oh.
It's not cold at all.
Thank God, the holy water. It's okay. nagsusulat ng mga galing sa iba't ibang lugar, bansa, na sila po ay nagpasalamat kay St. Charbel dahil gumaling po sila. Ayan, meron po dito from America, Canada, Australia, may Philippines din, basta buong mundo. Yung mga sulat nila. Ayan, Australia, Philippines, Morocco, may Morocco din. Ang Philippines, ang ating bansa, 92 letters. May Syria din, Russia, mga letter. Since death of St. Charbel till now, sabi nila. Switzerland, 815. Ayan. Mattress with pillow stained in blood. Alam niyo, very secret ang area na ito. St. Charbel inukit nila. So dito tayo ngayon sa kung saan tumira. Ito yung way, either stair or ito. Bonjour.
It's like poetry. يا مار شارب البديات طلوا بارك جوارك يعني يا Saint Charbel we are visiting you يعني show and bless us show and bless your visitors.
Tahimik ang area.
I'm reading down يعني the people cured وهيك they are taking from bakhur with the
Oil.
Wow, the sand there, the soil. See, some people they took from how the leaves here
Come and they.
of these trees is Indian. How do they call it? Yeah, like this one you are shooting the birds.
They took it and they are cured. They cured?
Because of their faith.
Yes.
They take how do they leave? They boil, they drink the water.
Yeah, because this place is sacred and holy.
Yeah.
Holy place. Pag step mo dito, ramdam mo yung Holy Spirit.
Fish Baba, you're saying that.
Here also, han, he plant here. Tignan nyo yung mga bato, guys, oh.
They're up.
Natural ito. Hindi,
How
tignan.
they that's there
Ang
up.
ganda, no?
Yeah, he planted next to where he is living.
Tapos dyan sa baba is village.
Yeah, look, big bird. Big bird, big bird. Last tree down, look, it's moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, huh? He will fly. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to St. Charbel.
If they have somebody sitting them, they let them.
Dito, pwede rin silang may mass din dito nagaganap. Yan, dito siya nag-stay.
It is very nice. He used to sit here under this
Tree?
tree. That's why they made the statue here.
Mm.
You know?
Mm.
And he
Hala.
used to sit here and read in the Bible. Can you imagine? He's alone. ليش عم يرجعوا هودي؟ What's wrong with them? في car.
May mga rosary dito na nakahang. Ito, dito siya umupo noon, nagbabasa ng Bible, nagpre-pray. Tapos sa baba doon siya nagtatanim ng kakainin niya. Yes, my love, go everywhere. Even here, he is here, Jesus Christ. Yeah.
How they?
Hi, the snowball. Dito. Meron ba? Tayo. Fatima. Ang bango dito. Sobrang bango. Iba yung amoy. I remember we wrote something here. Still here? Still here? Khalil family, it's here. Look, I wrote it.
Your handwriting.
See here, they write here. Tita Mirna and Tita Tina. America, something. Twin Heart, this one, oh. This one, yes. Ito yung sinulat ng ating bisita nung pumunta sila dito. Twin Heart, Spiritual Warriors, USA, Australia, and Philippines. 8/19/23. Andito siya noon. Dito sila noon. Ayan si Tita Dina, nanonood siya. Ay, siya yan. And kaya, Johnny and Laura.
Like Khalil
Khalil family. You should put here, ayan, under of here. Ayan, dito siya natulog noon. He was sleeping here. Tingnan niyo yung pilo niya. Bible. Tapos yung cross. Tapos yung kung saan siya umiinom. Yan yung maliit. Yung box. Diyan siya nilalagay yung mga gamit niya. Tignan nyo kung saan siya humiga. Sa wood. See? The wood. St. Charbel, pray for us. Yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko guys.
You see how they
Ito yung mga wood noon pa ito.
I think this was the bathroom maybe or something.
Oh, see? Dito siya namatay, yes? He was dead here. Nag-stay siya talaga mag-isa dito. Hindi ganito dito noon. Bato-bato siya. Bundok. At sino mag-isa. Ang ganda dyan guys. So, village. Village. What this place, Han?
I don't know.
Tandorin?
Nah.
Ganda.
The area of Sperry.
Ah, Sperry. Okay.
It's gonna be foggy. It's gonna be foggy in a couple hours.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Really, it's like heaven. Look.
Yeah.
Like you can see these mountains, you can look here. It's not easy.
Is that the restaurant or the generator?
Another one. It's like, look.
Full of mountains. The only country with mountains.
The only country in the Middle East without desert.
Yeah.
No desert. As they call it.
This is blessed.
Yeah.
Maganda ang Lebanon. Yan ang totoo. Sobrang ganda. Yan. Yeah. Jarbil. Come to me.
Come to me, you all sick and tired of يعني not heavy weights يعني holding something, no يعني with your
Burden.
يعني with your worries.
I
And
will release.
I will make you rest. I will release.
Okay.
Only one time his mother came.
Here in this one.
He didn't meet her. He talked to her behind the door.
He said, and the mother was crying. He said, don't worry mom, I have my mother. Yan yung tinutukoy niya si Mama Mary.
Why can't we go down this way?
I have my mother
He was afraid
with me,
to be
sabi
weak
niya.
when he sees his mother.
Yeah.
So he will not be يعني concentrating.
Mm.
I don't know.
Hala, make for me now.
No, I was not. She was walking. Wait. Aligi. And I'm walking here. She's passing here, very close to Heidi. And I didn't look. I was about to make. She passed. Allah. Her hair is, but she's short like you, so I didn't pay attention. But I don't know. Good. I didn't touch her. Maybe she will think.
Tignan niya si Mr. guys, akala niya yung babae ako na akbayan niya daw ako. Ay nako.
Passing very close to me.
You don't know the chemistry yan.
The horn, heck, it's not. But if somebody's talking to you, you think it's from family. Where they created the first book. And where they created the letter. The letter. Do you know? The letter. The letter. That's from here. And people used to talk, but they don't have letters. The letter was created here. They call it Madinat al-Harb. The letter.
Hi guys. Hello po. Ready na po tayo. So ilagay natin itong bag sa kitchen kasi pagdating ng asawa ko mamaya, ilagay na niya sa car. Wala kasi siya ngayon, may work siya.
Last day, everybody. Last day.
But I will put all the things down there and then
Wait, we'll put all here?
yes, that's the
Okay. Alright. This one is for me, and the bag is for me.
put all patulugin kong maaga ang mga bata kasi alis na kami bukas, guys. Maaga kami aalis bukas ang flight namin. So, siguro hindi na ako matutulog. 1 hour lang siguro ang tulog ko. And then, yun. Nalinis na din ang bahay. Yala, put all here. Yala, bring another one.
Bag?
Yes, kilo. The hand carry everything.
Headgear?
Para ma-prepare na. Para wala nang problema. Bale 5 ang ano namin. Ang bag namin, yung luggage.
Is the Heda the game inside one of these bags?
Yeah, you will hold the green one. So ito lang guys ang aming bag at saka may hand carry po kami. Yes, 10 kilos each. Yeah. Para mamaya ilagay na ni Mr. sa car niya. Siguro sabi niya kanina kung hindi kasya, tawagan namin si Alexi, siya ang kasama namin na magsundo kasi si George may trabaho siya kaya hindi siya pwede.
There are stuffs on the bed.
Yeah. Ito ang hand carry namin.
Do you remember which bag you put it?
Yes.
The game?
Yeah. This one, you will hold this one. Okay?
This one and this one I'll hold with this one.
I will hold this one, Mama. Ayan, ito ang bag namin. Ayan guys, ready na po. Ready na din ang aming mga damit.
You want to take the water?
Come.
You want to
Ayan.
take the water?
What water?
The water bottles.
No. Ayan guys, ang dami naming karga. Excited ka na, anak? Matulog ka na din. So we need to wake up early. Okay?
Alright.
Okay guys, ayan. Ito na po. The wait is over. Yan, naalis na po tayo. Thank God. Ano ko na lahat. So, yan. Gawin na po tayo guys. Yay! Happy ako. So, hanggang dito na lang po. Thank you ulit sa pagsama niyo sa amin. And kita-kits po sa Philippine Vlogs. So, siguro, pag mga ilang days, siguro hindi ako mag-upload kasi nga, siyempre ayusin ko pa yung wifi, yung lahat-lahat, bago ako makapag-upload. So, ito na po yung last vlog namin dito sa Lebanon. Ayan, ready na po ang lahat. Ready na po kami. Ay naku, thank God. Parang kailan lang, kanina din nagsimba kami. Punta kami sa simbahan and then minit ko yung kaibigan kong pari. Yun, yakap niya ang mga bata. Sabi niya, God bless sa trip nyo. Babalik kayo ha. Hintayin ko kayo dito, sabi niya. Anyway. Ayan guys, kita-kits po. Good night. Ayan, nakita ko lang ang mga bata kasi patulogin ko na sila. Ayan, sana ang dalawa. Ayan, empty na ang room. Ready siya yan?
Yeah.
So, ito ang mga gamit namin. Yan, mga damit. So, ready na talaga. So, hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat, kita-kits. Bye! Thank you!